If you feel like you're starting from zero, this isn't going to feel exciting. It's going to feel slow. But slow is the part that actually works. Here's where most people get it wrong. They try to rebuild everything at once. New routine, new diet, new mindset, all starting on the same Monday. By Wednesday, it's gone. Not because they're weak, because starting from zero with 10 changes is the same as starting from zero with no changes. Nothing has time to stick. The system starts smaller than you'd expect. One action. Something so small it feels almost pointless. 5 minutes of movement. One page read. One task done before anything else. Not because it changes your life overnight, because it changes what you believe about yourself. That's the part most people skip. Rebuilding isn't about results first. It's about evidence first. Every time you do the small thing, you're collecting proof. Proof that you follow through. Proof that your word to yourself still means something. Once that trust starts coming back, the next layer is environment. Not willpower. Environment. Remove what makes the old version of you easy to fall back into. Add what makes the new version of you the default. You don't need more discipline. You need fewer reasons to need it. Then comes time. This is the part nobody wants to hear. Most of the early days won't feel different. You'll do the work and feel nothing. That's normal. Results always lag behind the actions. If you wait to feel proof of progress, you'll quit before it shows up. So here's the system, in order. Pick one small action. Do it daily, even badly. Let it rebuild trust in yourself before anything else. Then shape your environment around it. Then give it more time than feels comfortable. Rebuilding from zero isn't one big moment. It's small ones repeated until they're not small anymore. That's the system. Now it's just a matter of starting today. Get the Week Plan app at weekplan.net.